art enthusiasts and anyone who's interested in learning about art materials. This is Kathleen, Arola-Johnson at Creative Solace Studios, and I would like to do an unwrapping, not technically an unboxing, but an unwrapping of a product that is new to me. This is called the Ink Dazzle Glitter Ink. These are bingo markers. They are good for a variety of art projects in which you need to use or want to use dots, because that is what the tip of these look like. I got these on Amazon and there are 4, 5, 6 colors. I have not used this product before. They are supposed to be, or are, glittery. Yay! Who doesn't like glitter? So let's take a look at the colors first. There's green, blue, yellow, orange, purple, and red in this set in 80 milliliters with some descriptions on the back. Shake well before using. I have a cardstock paper here to test them out. So let's see what they do. Shaking well before using and taking the top off. We can see the sponge applicator and pressing it down. Oh, came out the first time. Like a little donut, and then as I pressed them more, it became a solid circle. This one was the red. Has an orange hue to it, but I'm liking it. Let's look at it in a couple different angles to see the glitter, the sparkle, the sheen to it. Okay, let us continue on with the other colors. Here we go with purple. That is a very fuchsia color. I'm loving that, and I could see that happening in a lot of art journal and other art projects. Next to that is coming an example of orange. I purposely want to put it right up next to this red so we can see the difference. There is some more yellow in the orange color. All of these are nice and shimmery. They're coming out of the applicator very easily, and they're making kind of textured dots. So there's some nice color and glitter effects happening. That one I squeezed a little bit too much, and there's some bubbles of the liquid coming out. That is the blue, looking very beautiful here. And the green is telling me it's ready to go. I can definitely see a lot of possibilities with these 6 bingo dabbers in Dazzle Glitter Ink, Dabba Ink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Loving the colors. Let's take a look and see if they soaked through a cardstock paper. I can see the impressions from where the liquid was, but not the color showing through. And I see so many possibilities for this fun, glittery, shimmery product. Everybody needs a little glitter in their lives. And here's a way to get some more with these Dabba Ink Dazzle Glitter Ink Bingo Daubers. Loving the sparkle, loving the possibilities. Oh, the excitement of new art materials. Thank you for watching Creative Solace Studios. Let me know what type of projects you like to do, either with bingo dabbers in general or glittery ones in particular? I'd love to hear your comments in the comments to this video.